Greetings, everybody. I am Supersonic Advanced, and today we are going to do a threesome unboxing. We're going to unbox running Ice Luigi, Red Koopa Troopa, and another variant of Mario. I think this is supposed to be like some marching Mario or something. So here are the figures. Today we're going to unbox and review them. Well, without further ado, let's get started. First, we are getting started with Mario. So we have a whole lot of sculpts of Mario. We have the sculpt of Mario Odyssey, the regular sculpt, this jumping sculpt, that weird happy sculpt, the jumping pose that Mario makes in a lot of things. Actually, this pose right here, fun fact, is from a Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. You can tell kind of, but that's what I think it's from. So, well, also it could be the Mario plus Rabbids Kingdom Battle, but yeah, so we have that sculpt of Mario, the jumping sculpt, which has been made many times throughout this series, and the running pose of Mario. I think that is supposed to be a pose from Super Mario Run, because when you boot up the game on your phone, it makes that pose kind of, but it's not completely identical. So here is Mario. And this is supposed to be him marching, not running. So this is him, I guess, marching, but not running. Alright. Here we go. There we go. And time to get the hat out. Okay, I finally got him out of the packaging. Oh, there it is. Alright, that fits. Sorry about this. There we go. And a cool little hat that Mario can hold. Oh my god, why am I having trouble with this? Okay, so why is this hard to get in? You gotta be kidding me. Sorry that you guys had to watch me struggle, but here it is, the Mario, and this is supposed to be him marching. So how many variants of Mario, of different poses? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 different poses of Mario. It's hard to get the cap in there, but yeah, so this is the new Mario pose. It's nothing different, although the stand, I guess, is a little bit bigger, but I don't have that much to say on it, because, well, it's a new pose that's been out for a while, and that is Mario. Really, I don't have that much to comment about him, but that is another variant of Mario added to the collection. Here he is out of the package. So far we have had 2 running Luigis. Well, we have the regular Luigi and Ice Luigi. I do not have the Fire Luigi, but comment down below if I should get it. So one thing that Jakks is improving upon Now, I'm not sure if y'all can see it, but the eyes are definitely improving. This is old and this is new. They are definitely getting a lot better at putting like more texture into the eyes. So that, it's like the little details that count. So yeah, that is a new variant, well, another Luigi. I am missing the fire Luigi, but yeah, so we have this Luigi that they're finally doing of a regular Luigi, and this weird pose that they keep keep re-releasing in different forms. I don't really find too much of these. I don't know what type of concept this is really from, but Alright, so we're gonna move on to our last figure. Also not really the most interesting, the Koopa. So here he is, Red Koopa. He has 1 point of articulation in here. Do the feet rotate? No, they do not. This hand can kind of rotate. Head? No. Not really, so don't have any Koopas, but this is Koopa. Also, I want to show y'all something real quick, so hopefully I can get that. Camera, focus. Comment down below if I should collect the Fire Mario, the yellow Yoshi, and that Yoshi. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next run. See you later.